We'll guide you through how to use the soundboard on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Discord Soundboard is a feature that lets you play short sound effects while you are in a voice channel with other people. This sound can be things like memes, funny effects, or custom clips that your server uploads. When you play a sound, everyone in the voice channel will hear it instantly, which can make the conversation, gaming session, or community event even more fun and interactive. To start using Soundboard, first thing you need to do is just launch the Discord app on your computer and go to the server where you want to play the sounds. And keep in mind that you need to join a voice channel to be able to use soundboards. And once you are in the voice channel, look towards the bottom area of your call interface and you will see an icon labeled as Open Soundboard. Just click on it to open and you should now see a list showing all of the available sounds. If your server has not added any sounds yet, the soundboard panel will appear empty, which in my case, I have not added any sound. And as you can see, it is showing empty and showing an icon labeled as add sound. And here are some of the Discord sound. Each server has a certain number of available sound slots, and those slots increase depending on the server boost level. For example, server without boost usually have a smaller number of slots available, while server with higher boost tier unlock more space for additional sound. Another thing to keep in mind is that you will be able to see sound from specific server you are currently in. And once you click the sound in the panel, let's say I want to play this, it will immediately play for everyone in that voice channel. This makes it easy to react to something funny or add sound effect during conversation or gaming. And if you want to preview a sound before playing it for everybody else, you can hover over the sound that you want to play or preview and just go to the left hand side of the icon and click on it. And you will be able to hear it, but other members in the voice call will not be able to hear it. And you can even favorite your sound. Just click on the star icon and it will be added to favorite, and your favorite sounds are usually on the top. Now let's talk about adding sounds to your soundboard. If you have permission to manage the server's soundboard, you can upload your own sound effects. To do this, open server menu by clicking on the server name and click on server settings. From here, just under expression, go to soundboard and click on upload sound. And from here, a pop-up will appear and you can just choose your file. Just click on browse and choose any file to your liking, which in my case, it's going to be some random audio like so. And the best thing is you can even edit your sound before adding. So let's say you downloaded a compilation of sounds and you only want to add a specific part. You can just use the slider and choose any part that you want to upload. And you can even rename it by just clicking on sound name and giving any sound like random. Like so. And you can even add a related emoji. Just click on it and select any emojis to your liking. And you can even adjust the sound volume. Just adjust the volume to your liking and click on upload. Another useful thing is that you can control the volume of the soundboard sound. Inside the soundboard panel, just click on the sounds icon and increase or decrease the slider till you get the sweet spot. This can be helpful because some sound clips can be much louder than others, and adjusting the volume helps keep things balanced during a voice chat. And once everything is set up, using the soundboard becomes very simple. Just join our voice channel, open the soundboard panel and click on any sound that you want to play.